Probability. Probability is a branch of mathematics concerning numerical descriptions of how likely an event is to occur or how likely it is that a proposition is true. The probability of an event is a number between 0 and 1. 0 indicates impossibility of the event and 1 indicates certainty. The higher the probability of an event, the more likely it is that the event will occur. A simple example is the tossing of a fair coin. Since the coin is fair, the two outcomes, heads and tails, are both equally probable. The probability of heads equals the probability of tails, and since no other outcomes are possible, the probability of either heads or tails is 1 by 2. These concepts have been given an axiomatic mathematical formalization in probability theory, which is used widely in areas of study such as statistics, mathematics, science, finance, gambling, artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer science, game theory, and philosophy too. For example, draw inferences about the expected frequency of events. Probability theory is also used to describe the underlying mechanics and regularities of complex systems. History of probability. According to Richard Jeffrey, before the middle of the 17th century, the term probable, Latin probabilis, meant approvable and was applied in that sense. Daniel Bernoulli, 1778, introduced the principle of the maximum product of the probabilities of a system of concurrent errors. Adrian Mary Legendre, 1805, developed the method of least squares and introduced it in his new methods for determining the orbits of comets. An Irish American writer, Robert Adrien, editor of The Analyst, 1808, first deduced the law of facility of error. Like this, various mathematical problems coined by various mathematicians. Here, I mentioned only few mathematical principles. Terminology of the probability theory. Experiment. An operation which can produce some well-defined outcomes is called an experiment. Example. When we toss a coin, we know that either head or tail shows up. The operation of tossing a coin may be said to have two well-defined outcomes, namely, first one, heads showing up, and the second, tails showing up. Random experiment. Such an experiment in which all possible outcomes are known and the exact outcome cannot be predicted in advance is called a random experiment. Example. When we roll a die, we are well aware of the fact that any of the numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 may appear on the upper face, but we cannot say that which exact number will show up. Sample space. All the possible outcomes of an experiment as an whole form the sample space. Example. When we roll a die, we can get any outcome from 1 to 6. All the possible numbers which can appear on the upper face form the sample space, denoted by S. Hence, the sample space of dice roll is S equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Outcome. Any possible result out of the sample space S for a random experiment is called an outcome. Example. When we roll a die, we might obtain 3, or when we toss a coin, we might obtain heads. Event. Any subset of the sample space S is called an event, denoted by E. When an outcome which belongs to the subset S, subset E, takes place, it is said that an event has occurred. Whereas, when an outcome which does not belong to subset E takes place, the event has not occurred. Example. Consider the experiment of throwing a die. Over here, the sample space S equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let E denote the event of a number appearing less than 4. Thus, the event E equal to set of 1, 2, 3. If the number 1 appears, we say that event E has occurred. Similarly, if the outcomes are
2 or 3 we can say event E has occurred since these outcomes belong to subset E. Trial. By a trial, we mean performing a random experiment. Example, tossing a fair coin, rolling an unbiased die. Applications of probability. Probability theory is applied in everyday life in risk assessment and modeling. The insurance industry and markets use actuarial science to determine pricing and make trading decisions. Governments apply probabilistic methods in environmental regulation, entitlement analysis, and financial regulation. An example of the use of probability theory in equity trading is the effect of the perceived probability of any widespread Middle East conflict on oil prices, which have ripple effects in the economy as a whole. An assessment by a commodity trader that a war is more likely can send that commodities prices up or down and signals other traders of that opinion. Accordingly, the probabilities are neither assessed independently nor necessarily rationally. The theory of behavioral finance emerged to describe the effect of such groupthink on pricing, on policy, and on place and conflict. In addition to financial assessment, probability can be used to analyze trends in biology. Example, disease spread, as well as ecology. Example, biological Punnett squares. As with finance, risk assessment can be used as a statistical tool to calculate the likelihood of undesirable events occurring and can assist with implementing protocols to avoid encountering such circumstances. Probability is used to design games of chance so that casinos can make a guaranteed profit. It provides payouts to players that are frequent enough to encourage continued play. Another significant application of probability theory in everyday life is reliability. Many consumer products such as automobiles and consumer electronics use reliability theory in product design to reduce the probability of failure. Failure probability may influence a manufacturer's decisions on a product's warranty. The Catchy language model and other statistical language models that are used in natural language processing are also examples of applications of probability theory.